Hi, welcome to Katerina Finds. Let's review Vanity Desk with mirror, lights, and chair. It comes in a box with tools and numbered accessories, making assembly straightforward when following the step-by-step instructions. Vanity mirror with continuous dimming and three-mode color adjustment. It featuring LED lights in three beautiful color options: white, warm, and natural. Gentle touch would switch the mode, and long press will adjust the brightness effortlessly. This makeup vanity comes equipped with convenient charging station that includes two standard plug sockets and two USB ports. You can style your hair, charge your phone, connect your iPad, everything in the same spot. Beautifully made, six hooks are there to hang your necklaces, along with two designated tabletop compartments for storing aromatherapy bottles, makeup brushes, and lipsticks. The multifunctional stool included with the dressing table has a soft cushion and practical storage space, enhancing your experience. This stool is perfectly embedded under the vanity table. I like that this vanity has expandable 20 centimeter folding side panel. You can effortlessly unfold it when you need it. This vanity desk features a tempered glass surface that exudes elegance and clarity, allowing for clear visibility of items stored in its drawers. This compact vanity set, which includes a makeup LED mirror and vanity stool, is ideally suited for small apartments and bedrooms. To help you keep your dressing table organized and beautiful, they included two thoughtfully designed 9-grid felt dividers, a special gift. Those dividers will assist you with arranging your beloved jewelry and cosmetics with care. The drawers are illuminated by three-color LED strips, providing gentle light for better visibility even in the darkest evening. This small vanity desk provides so much space. This bottom lighted cabinet, perfect for the handbags. Crafted from premium wood, embodies a refined and sleek modern aesthetics. This vanity would be perfect for young women and girls, or anyone who doesn't have much space. Its sophisticated design harmoniously blends with apartments and small bedrooms, adding an elegant touch to any space. It makes an ideal gift. Company offers complimentary 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. The table is elegant, bring convenience and order, and I do recommend it.